Hello, this is James Smith, again, analysis.net. Today we're looking at the S&P index, and you can see right away from the low of August 5th to the high of December 11th was 90 trading days, low to high. So that's a big cycle, and with GAN, different cycles come to mind for a lot of people. Like 90 is a big number. So it could be 90 trading days, 90 calendar days, even 90 solar degrees. You look at all of them. You could also look at, from the high, you can measure down and look for a low, possible low. Or, if it continues higher, you can extend this and look for a move higher. It all depends on what the market is doing in relation to the cycles. So if you rally into a GAN cycle, chances are it might be a high. It just depends. If you can be fooled because, this looked like a high, but, you could have gone down and then right back up again. How do you know when a cycle is really calling a top? Well, the answer is you don't. So you wait, you let the market play out. Okay, it took out the 50-day moving average, came back, it's dancing around it. Maybe you have to wait a little longer. One thing you could do is you could measure square of 9 levels down from high. And if you have 180 degrees down from this high, that would be 5944. Or 360 degrees down from high would be 5791. Now, if you want to know what the square of 9 is, register to my website. I just did a complete report on the S&P. I go into some detail to explain this chart, as well as a few others, to give you some insight into what's going to happen next for the S&P. It's worth your time. So again, all you have to do is register to the website. There's no cost. We won't harass you. Basically, you register, you get a free report, you lose nothing. It's worth your time to fill out a registration. You just give us your name, you tell us what you're interested in, and we'll send you a report on that market. So even if you're not interested in the S&P, it's still worth registering. Good luck with your trading. I hope this has been helpful.